Hello, dear viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, it depends upon whichever part of the world you are from. I welcome you to this live stream, which is there on the YouTube channel of Lucas Copy Webinars. MG has already joined us, and Hassan Gamal is also here. Okay, so hello and welcome to both of you. Thank you very much for joining. Well, let me introduce myself first. I am a Lucas Copy's community member. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, so whatever I'm saying, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy. Today is 12th of May 2023. This is the last trading day of the week, Friday. Generally, there is no movement on the Fridays, but let us see today, was there any movement or not. Okay, but I see that there is a lot of movement today, especially in the dollar. A few things have totally reversed. Brent is continuing in the same direction, but US dollar has reversed its price action. Let's see about what is happening in that. But before I proceed, I think I should take you through the risk disclaimer, because we are talking about the markets which have a lot of risk associated with them. So let's understand the risk that is associated, and then we hop onto the charts. Please pause the video here if you are watching a rebroadcast or a recorded session. Understand this risk disclaimer completely and then only hop onto the charts. All right, guys, on your screen, first chart is dollar index. Like always, I discussed the dollar index in the beginning. Like I was saying, that dollar index has reversed its direction. How can we say that? We had a confirmation that 1 day time frame trend is bearish below 102.46, and just now you see in this candle it is breaching that level. That means if it is trading above that, that means this level is now taken out. So what we can do is, now we can expect a higher low here and something like this. So yes, the trend has broken on the US dollar. US dollar may be going up. This is not confirmed as of now. Okay, it just needs to make another another low which is higher, and for that to establish, it has to make another high which will be higher than the recent high that is made. So yes, it has given us a caution. Okay, I am going up, boys, you want to come with me? Okay, so it's like that. 102.46 was the level which we were expecting to be resistance, and that has not held as a resistance as of now. I can see from this candle, this is the daily chart, and as of now the price is making a Marubozu. A Marubozu is a candle which has no wicks on the lower side or the upside. Well, nothing is ideal, so these wicks can be ignored. Okay, these small wicks can be ignored. Now if it closes a day above 102.46, that will be a short buy in the dollar index. I will not say that buy at the current levels, but yes, we will become buyers in this market. Okay, and we will be looking for the buying opportunity. In fact, with the breach also, I become a buyer technically, but I will not be buying at the current levels. I'll be expecting a down move to the previous levels of support. I think this area I will look for buying opportunity. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold. But right now, if you keep continue to the upside, these highs that the price has made on the 1 hour may provide some support, some resistance to the price on the way up. Like these two highs, these highs are around 102.72. These are minor resistances, but the major resistance will be around 102.99 now. And on the downside, the major support must be provided by 100.44. But if you consider this as a breakout from this particular level also, because this is similar to a triple bottom breakout. Okay, now why you consider it a triple bottom? If you consider this low, and then if you consider this low, and then if you consider this low at the same level, almost relatively similar level, then this is a breakout from the reaction high. So this can be taken as a triple bottom breakout or double bottom breakout, whatever you want to take the case, as the case you want to take, you can take it. And now if the price continues further and closes a day higher than this, then this level, that is 102.46, should start acting as a support, which I will not say anything because there is no meaning of any prediction, because whichever way the market behaves, I will go along. So I'm expecting a move like this, and then from here I am expecting a rise. This is what I am expecting. So on the higher side, the resistance will be now 102.99. On the lower side, the support is very far, 100.44, but we cannot say that that is our support. We can expect a support around here. So we make a level here around 102.16, and this is the level I think which I should be looking for as a support. All right, guys. And on the similar lines, euro has also fallen below the 1.0909 area. Now you see that this was an uptrend, but it has now gone below that. In fact, yesterday only it had gone below that, so we are looking for a selling opportunity. It did not give us any opportunity now, so that means somebody is very aggressive in selling the euro against the US dollar. Okay, now next support for euro is 1.0831, which is this previous low, and now I think 1.0909 will be posing a lot of resistance to the price. I was short at the euro dollar, so you must continue that position, MJ. You were short at euro. What do you mean? Have you covered your position? Okay, whatever, but you see now the support, small support may be provided by 1.08313. okay, in fact, if you have covered, that is another story, but if you really want to cover it, then 1.0831 area will be okay, will be a good area to go. Now if you want to short this market, so this may be your next opportunity. Hello Benny, welcome to the stream. How have you been doing? How is your euro GBP performing? Did you short it yesterday? I believe you shorted it yesterday. Yeah, boom boom. I just hope. Okay, but I'm coming back to the euro. So I'm expecting a euro to get some pullback from 1.0831 area and go towards 1.0909. From there we can expect a sell off further towards 1.0713 area. All right, that's all about the euro. If you have any contrarian, no, I'm long on it. GBP AUD. You are long on GBP AUD. Did it break that line? Oh yes, but you should not have gone long till now. You should have kept your stop order above the high of this particular candle, which we have been. Oh, you are long from 1.86. Nice. A lot of money. Oh, okay. So it hit my SL. Oh, gold, it hit my SL. Okay. So let's talk about it later. First, let me check what is happening here in the euro. Okay. So like I was saying about euro is that we are expecting the price to come back to 1.0909. That I think will be considered as the resistance now, and we can get another buy selling opportunity here if it really permits us. Okay. And in case of pound, pound is still holding the grounds. 1.2435 I think is the level. If that breaks, we will turn bearish in this one also, but till the time 1.2435 is holding, we cannot sell this market as such. All right, and I think I told something about this here on the 4-hour. If you see any green candle, you should be looking for a buying opportunity around here, because this has been so much oversold and still it is bullish divergence here, hidden bullish divergence. Why there is a hidden bullish divergence? The price is not making lower low, but the RSI has made a lower low. So in that case, I think this will become count as a hidden bullish divergence, but for that we need a green candle here. That is the point. Okay. So on the pound, I think we still have a support around 1.2435 area, and the resistance may be posed by 1.2577, or maybe this broken channels resistance support area after testing may get rejected. The price can get rejected from this like this, and this may be our area of opportunity if the price goes like this. Okay. All right, Australian dollar has reached the place where I am looking for buying this, but this Marubozu on the daily is not suggesting any buying opportunity. 0.6640, if that breaks, I think that I will not be willing to buy this market. Okay. The price is trading right now very close to the support area, although even with the London Open and US Open, the price was not able to go below 0.6640. If we see some bullish price action here and the price breaks this channel on the upside, I think that will be the first hint to go long in this market. Okay, now the resistance will be provided by 0.6716 area, and before that this recent highs that price has created around 0.6705 may also provide resistance for the Australian dollar. And if price goes down and closes a day below 0.6640, then we can say that 0.6563 is exposed in this market. New Zealand dollar, wow, wow, wow. What is this? I didn't see it coming. It did not happen yesterday when we were doing this live stream. Where were we? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we were. Okay, after that there's a lot of fall. All right, so yes, now the New Zealand dollar is right now on the support area around 0.6187. I think one should be looking for the selling opportunities in this one, but keep an eye on this also, 0.6160 area, which was previous resistance, previous support. So if the price hits this area, at least there will be profit booking and the price can go to 0.6180 area or 87 area, where you can look for another selling opportunity in this market. Or even if the price reverses from here till 0.6225, it can provide you another selling opportunity. But if you consider this move from all the way up here to here, there has been no retracement whatsoever. So if the retracement has to occur, I think 38.2%, which is perfectly in line with the 0.6262 area, may be used as an opportunity to go short if the price comes here. Okay, something like this. One request from my side to all my viewers is that never try to predict the price, that which direction the price is going. Okay, always see which direction the price is going and try to align yourself in that direction rather than predicting where it is going. Yes, you can always have an anticipation, okay, but that doesn't mean that you stick to it. Never get married to whatever you predict. Okay, now here we see that we are expecting a price to break below this, and if that happens, then only we become sellers. Now do you understand why I say we let the market what we call it, market structure, to wait? You wait for the right time and then you enter the short rather than shorting it here or here. No, now see, this is the reason. Okay, now if the price comes again to the downside, it will always find support on the lower sides now, because it has broken through the recent resistance areas. Now recent resistance areas, that means price fell from here till here, then buyers came, they pushed the price down. So only this one candle was the candle full of sellers, and these two candles are candles full of buyers. So these buyers have overpowered these sellers. So now the price will keep on going higher till the time these sellers will not try to jump in. So 137.77 is the resistance now, and on the lower side you will find support as soon as the price tries to drop below. So I think you will get somewhere support somewhere here if the price drops to this point. But keep an eye on these key levels, 137.77 and 133.01 on the lower side. US dollar against the Canadian, well, it is appreciating. Why it is appreciating? Any guesses? Now you all know. Okay, now you all know. So expect some resistance when the price meets this falling channels. Okay, and it can also reverse again to keep this triangle continued for some time. This is also a consolidation pattern, and after the breakout from this triangle, we will be expecting a robust move from the USD CAD. But right now, expect this falling channel to be acting as a resistance. I'm not a buyer in this market. I don't want to become a seller even. But I think if you want to take risk, you can see what happens when the price meets this falling channel, and then can take action accordingly. On the high side, the horizontal resistance is at 1.3667, and the horizontal support now will be provided by 1.3522 area. USD CHF. Let us switch to the daily. All right, on the daily, USD CHF is has broken higher than that symmetrical triangle. Actually, first it broke higher, then it came inside, then it again broke higher. So it's okay. Now looking at the strength of the US dollar against all other currencies, I think there is a possibility that the price will break through 0.8994. Well, there is just a possibility, but still see that it has broken higher than all other pairs other than CHF. Right now all other pairs it has broken the market structure, but not here. So that means CHF is still stronger as compared to the other currencies against the US dollar. Okay, so I will not be willing to sell the CHF against the US dollar here. I mean, I will not be willing to buy US dollar against the Swiss franc here. Okay, so even if the price goes higher, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity, which I believe will be arriving at around 0.9070 area. Now if you have to say make a channel by joining these highs, okay, and this in this area, you will find that this area is a confluence of resistance. This area is a confluence of resistance. US dollar has done a lot of damage. US dollar has done a lot of damage, yes. But how, in what sense are you saying this? I think this may be your next area of opportunity to go short this pair, okay, rather than buying it. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold here. I'm not saying that you sell it immediately. No, you look at the price action, what happens here. Okay, if the price is not able to go and pierce this price and go beyond, then there's no need to buy this market. Okay, you may be also looking for a selling opportunity. If not selling opportunity, then at least look at this price action. This has been an area of buyers earlier. Okay, then when it broke it became the area of sellers. So even if there are no enough sellers, at least there will be profit booking, and you can utilize that profit booking also to earn some profits from 0.9070 area. Okay, silver. Well, yesterday only we explained that why we are sellers now in the silver. 2355 is what we are expecting on the downside. 2447 is going to be the resistance for the silver. Nothing special, broken falling channel, and yes, every time the price rises from here, it will be sold by the sellers. Okay, but in gold I see that the price is still holding. So yes, above 1969 we are buyers in the gold and expect some more buying around this area. Well, this is the rising channels support line. Okay, and if the price meets this area around here on 23rd of May, then it will be the best, because it is a confluence of two supports. One is this, one is this. And when the price breaks higher from this falling channel, which we have created by joining just these two highs, which are recent highs, then I think it will be a go for long trades in the gold against the US dollar. What do you guys say? Is it advisable to buy the gold at such higher prices like 1999 levels? This is almost $2,000 for gold. Yes, it is possible. Okay, if the price fails to break below 1999 and fails to break below 1969, well, it is a buy and buy. And if the price breaks on the higher side, then I think it will be a good opportunity for us to go long. Brent, well, we are seller on the Brent. Today the price tried to go higher. Okay, it went even higher towards very close to 75.88, which was the previous swing high. Actually previous support also now acted as a resistance the following day of the break, and today also it tried to test that area but failed and fell below that. Now this has happened intraday. I will show you. You see the price went there, but here it was sold off again in only in 2 hourly candles. Okay, now I'm coming back to 4 hours. So you see, whenever the price is trying to rise, it is being sold off. Whenever the price is trying to rise, it is being sold off. That means somebody is trying to push the price lower. So to what extent it can push? 72.66 is the first target, 71.36 is the second target, from where we are expecting the price to rise again. So this wave you can ride if you want to. In fact, on my other channel today I have given a trade like short below this and then stop loss here, but that stop loss has been triggered, so there's no point in talking about that. That was extremely short term trade. USDZAR, we have met all the targets, we have even gone beyond that, but failed to continue further. That means there is a possibility of correction here. Now when I say the possibility of correction, I mean something like this can happen, okay? And if something like this can happen, you know what is to be done, okay? You know something like this will happen, and as soon as it comes to this area, it will try to go like this again. So when it goes like that, then you have to be ready with your orders. Okay, so this is how you trade, guys. Don't buy it at the current levels. You wait for the price to come at the right level and then break from this channel and then come to test that channel as the fresh support, and then boom, because that time your risk will be minimized and your take profit will be maximum. That's all about USDR. Now Bitcoin finally has given a closing below 26,950 and has given a clean closing below that. That means now the next level of support is 23,890. That's it, 23,890, and anytime the price will try to rise from here, 26,950 will be acting as the resistance for this one. So it's a clean break, okay, and a retest may be used as a shorting opportunity with the target of 23,890. I don't want to tell anything about the alternate if the price goes higher, blah blah blah, because there is no possibility from here the price to go up from here, okay. This has been a clean break and a continuation. So even if the price rises from here, 26,950 will be a strong resistance for the price now. Euro JPY. Well, in the Euro JPY, we are looking for a selling opportunity. This channel has broken to the downside. So this area, we will be looking for a selling opportunity. This is an area around 147.50 area. Okay. So look for a selling opportunity here with the target of 146.28. On the higher side, if the price continues and breaks this falling channel, which is a long-term falling channel, if this breaks, then we will be looking at 148.62 as the fresh targets on the upside. Euro GBP on the similar lines, like I was explaining yesterday, that there is a bullish pin bar here on day before yesterday, okay, but this bullish pin bar was going to close below 0.8730. If it does, then there will be selling. So this is what I was trying to tell to Benny, okay. But if it doesn't continue lower and if it holds here, then it will be cautious. But if the price actually breaks through the low of today's candle tomorrow, then you should be looking for the lower prices, that is 0.8546 in this one. Although pound is holding, but the euro is not able to hold, so I think euro will keep going down, and if the pound starts rising, then this will result in going to 0.8546 area. Yes, 500. But guys, we also call it S&P 500. Now those of my friends who have joined from like last 3-4 days, they must have observed that the day before yesterday we were talking about this price action here, something like this. Did we talk about something like this? Do you remember? Okay, so this is how it forms, and in the process, if it breaks through 4048, then we will become sellers at 4048 at the retest, and then we will be targeting the lower lows, that is 3809 in this market, guys. This is all about waiting now, waiting, okay. Now you might be surprised and thinking that why we are not selling at 4148 area. Why we are not selling at 4148 area? You can sell it, okay, no problem, but here risk to reward ratio will not be good. I'll explain you. Even if you sell at the current levels, you will have a risk of 5,000 or 6,000 points, and you will have a potential profit of 5,000 points. 1:1 risk to reward ratio, not required. But if you sell here, you will say you sell it with that 5,000, okay, 5,000 risk, and you will have approximately 20,000 profit, potential profit of 20,000. So you have 1:4 risk to reward ratio, which is very good in my opinion, and that's why I'm waiting for that. Okay, so keep this type of trades for your in your arsenal, and you will be a very good trader in the long run. You will have a lot of money. So on the upside, 4148 now is the resistance. Support is 4048. Once 4048 is taken down, then we'll expect it to act as a resistance, and then we will sell this market with the target of 3809. I hope that helps. Euro as of now, it is appreciating against the Australian dollar, but I am expecting Australian dollar to hold at the current levels, and so euro must drop from here. 1.6356 is what I am expecting to act as a good resistance now. So if you get an opportunity, go short here with a small stop loss higher and target 1.6135 and maybe even 1.5848 in the process. Also notice that this market has already broken through the market structure, so we are expecting a lower high anytime soon, and the best area to go and make a lower high is 1.63568 area, this one. Ethereum on the similar lines of the Bitcoin is going lower. It tried to give some support around 1761 but has failed, and today the price traded for some time below that level, but now it's trading above that. So my point will be that if it gives a close below that level, I mean below this low here around 1761, if it gives a close below that 1761, I think then 1685 will be exposed in this market. On the contrary, if it maintains a higher price and stays above 1761 till closing, then I think we can safely say that there are buyers underneath and they're trying to push the markets higher. Okay, so even then 1784 may be providing some resistance to the price. 1685 will be the support in case of Ethereum. CAD JPY, well, we are short now on this one, although we are looking for actually selling opportunity in this one. Like I was saying that Canadian dollar is going south because of the Brent, and expect, and now this bullish pin bar is only like a hangman formation. I'll explain you. So this is a hangman. Okay, so when the price, this is a hangman, you can consider it like this. Okay, when the price is going up, it makes something like this, a bullish pin bar, then the price continues here for some days and then eventually break lower than this. This is a breakdown of hangman. Okay, that means in the bullish pin bar, okay, now I will explain you here. Suppose this is the bullish pin bar, how the bullish candle forms. This is the bullish pin bar. This means at this closing, the candle opened here, it went lower, and here this was red in color, right? Red color. Here the buyers came in, they started pushing the price higher. Okay, we are buying this market, we will not let this price to go in the red. Boom, 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 boom. And then suddenly the next day the price opens here, right? The price opens here and it closes the day, say, in the red here. Okay, it closes the day here. Then on the next day the price opens here and goes below this low, trades lower, and then closes the day here. Okay, now what does it mean? It means that all the buyers who came in to support the price here till this level, they have been taken out. They have been taken out here. Okay, and when the price after opening, say somewhere here, came down, now it closed the day here. When the price opens here, on this day, it will go to retest this broken candle's low as the fresh resistance, and this will be your area of selling opportunity. This will be your area of sell, and you will be selling this market here with a stop loss here, and you will be targeting the next lows. Okay, here. I just hope that you got it, although my drawing is not so good. So when this candle, a bullish pin bar, is formed at the resistance, this is called a hangman. So the price is rising, this is the resistance. Now I'll explain you how. So this is the resistance, this hangman is forming, but I cannot compare it with the hangman until and unless the low of this candle is taken out. Until and unless the low of this candle is not taken out, we cannot consider it as a hangman. Maybe I will explain you some because when a hangman breaks, after that there is a lot of fall. Okay, I will explain you here. Do you see here? Do you see it here? This is a hangman. Okay, this is a hangman. The buyers came in to push the prices higher. If on the daily, you will see that this is even bigger hangman. Look at this. But when this candle breaks, boom, then there is no coming back. Okay, I just hope that it makes sense to you. But this hangman is forming on the 4 hours, so let's see how the things unfold about here. For the time being, you can actually keep a stop order below this candle if you are very aggressive as a sell, okay, or otherwise you can do a paper trade and see how that happens, or I can actually do that. What is the low of this candle? 99.72. So I will keep a stop order at 99.70. Sell stop by bid, okay, and if this is my stop order, then my stop loss will be somewhere here and my take profit will be here. Make sense, guys? So let's see how the things unfold in the CAD JPY. Although I'm very bullish on the CAD JPY on the daily chart, yes, but this is a contrarian view. This is a contrarian trade. I have taken it on the basis of Brent going down. Only basis is because Brent is going down and I am expecting the market to go down. So it's a risky venture. We should not open the trades like this, but it is risky, okay, because this is risky. Otherwise, in other scenario, I would have waited for something like this. I would have let it break and then sell the market around here, okay, with the real money. This is a demo trade, so you do not do it like this, but this is just to keep an eye on this trade. What about USA Tech, guys? Okay, USA Tech, we can see there is some bearish engulfing trying to occur. 32.67 is where it is trading. Well, now it looks like a wedge. Now it looks like a wedge formation here. Okay, till the time this wedge is holding, I do not think there is any need to panic. The price can still reverse to the upside, but from the key points or key levels, I think 13304 should be acting as a support to the price. If it doesn't act today, then tomorrow the further fall may be possible towards 12719. Now if it holds 13330 hold as a support today, I mean the price starts rising from here and goes and close above 13304, which is possible. If that happens, then the price will, I think, continue towards 13723 area. And if it starts falling south from here, then 12719 should be a good support for the price. That's it, nothing much. What is the long term showing in the USA Tech? Price is making higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, I think we should not talk about this level now. We should talk about 13140. Till the time 13140 is holding, I think we can still be buyers in this market. All right, till the time 13,140 is holding. Wait, what is the high here? 13,291. What is the high here? 13,288. So yes, so this is the highest low that the price has made. So till the time 13,140 is holding, we will be buyer in this market. Pound against the Australian dollar, 87.41 is where it is trading. It has made an intraday high of 87.73. Any close above this falling triangle of this falling trend line, which is today meeting the price at 87.14, 1.8714, any close above that will expose these highs around 0.8923, and any close above that or a trade above that will expose 1.9035 in this market. So pound is good, it should be bought, but this broken trend line, okay, this long-term broken trend line, when the price meets here, it will cause some resistance, so keep also that in mind. US 30, south, everything is getting sold off. 31423 is the next support. This falling channel's resistance line, and 34,939 is the resistance for this market. CHF JPY, well, that is for my experimentation, guys. I will just close that. Well, that's all from my side. MGA, Benny, I hope you are still there. If you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer those questions. Feel free to ask me the questions in the chat. And I think Hassan is also there today. Hassan Gamal, how are you? How has the week been for you? Did you make any profits? And who in the chat is confident of making 10% a month, at least 10% of the entire capital? MJ, wait, I have a question. Who in the chat thinks that he can make 10% of his entire capital in 1 month? 1 month means 20 trading days. Who thinks that? Who thinks, it's very easy? 10% is very easy. Who thinks that? No way. Benny, what do you think? Mr. Benny, Mr. MJ. Alright guys, we'll ask you this question maybe some other day. I hope you know about the support and resistance level that are of interest in the coming week, and just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital. Okay, this is the key, guys. This is the key. Believe me, I cannot stress it more. This is the key. Never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Never, never, never. I cannot stress it more. Believe me, this is super duper important. If you risk more than 1% in the beginning, you will not be there to trade tomorrow and learn it properly, doing how to do it properly. So risk less than 1% on a single trade and look for a potential profit of minimum 3 times the risk that you are going to take. If there is no potential profit of 3 times whatever you are risking, do not press the trigger. Stay away, play video games, go home. I only risk 0.01%. Brother, MJ, 0.01 is too less. I mean, it will not be satisfying you for the thing that you make on it, because if you're risking 0.1%, what you are expecting out of it? 0.3%? Okay, I will not bet against it, but 0.1 is too less. 0.25 is the minimum, I think, professional traders that are risking 0.25. Challenge only. Okay, I understand your point, MJ. I understand your point. Challenge only. Okay. So please press the like button if you find this video useful for you guys, and leave your suggestions in the comment sections if you have any, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. I wish you a happy weekend. Thank you very much for your time. See you on Monday, same time, same place. Bye bye.